Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both phones and the Bullets Wireless Z. Charge and power the headset, then long press the power button until the LED flashes white to enter pairing mode. On device, enable Bluetooth and scan immediately. Select OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z when it appears. Once device A connects, keep Bluetooth on. Make sure device B's Bluetooth is enabled but do not pair yet. This first step gets one connection established. Now move on to adding the second device. Once device A is connected, you need to add device B using the Bullets multi-point behavior. If device A auto-reconnects aggressively, temporarily disable its Bluetooth or forget and repair after. With the headset still powered, press the button to reinitiate pairing mode. Some OnePlus Bullets allow simultaneous connections by repairing the second device while maintaining the first. On device B, scan and select the headset. Once connected, both devices should show as paired. Make sure audio profiles, like A2DP, are active on both. Finish by confirming both devices report connected for media audio in their Bluetooth settings, then play sound from device A and device B to verify switching works. If audio doesn't switch, toggle the media audio profile for each device or disconnect/reconnect the inactive one. If you hit problems, reset the Bullets by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until LED behavior changes, then start pairing again. This reset resolves most stubborn multi-point or profile conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.